You like what you see? It's my
باسل مش عشان ثاني كملتها
several times.
Oh, fuck!
Let's go, Austin! Come on, Austin! You got this! You got this! Don't let go! Come on, come on, come on!
Do 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 do.
Looking at her. You like what you see? It's my girl.
Boy, you looking at my ass, bro?
Man, I ain't nah.
You looking at my ass, bro?
I thought your ass was like her.
What you like about this ass? You like it?
A little fat.
What's good? What's up with you? You like what you see? What you see here? What you see here? A bigger butt, nicer butt.
Right here.
You like that?
Boy, you looking at my ass, boy? You looking at my ass, bro? Looking at my ass? Chill, don't do
No,
that.
you're not.
My bad, bro. My bad. I had a colonoscopy, bro. Oh, you don't care? Alright, bro. Alright, love you.
You okay, fam?
Halloween. Happy Halloween. Oh, what? What was it?
I think you farted. I heard it.
Huh?
That was really gross.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think it was that guy.
What are you paying attention?
Alright. Damn, you tall, boy.
You ready? Ah.
Another banger. Calm down, calm down. Love is your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, for lockdown.
So if I do not find somebody soon, I'll blow up into smithereens and scream my tiny symphony all up and down a city street while trying to put my mind at ease, like finishing this melody. This feels like a necessity, so this could be the death of me, or maybe just a better me. Now coming with the timpanis and take a shot of Hennessy. I know I'm not there mentally, but you could be the remedy, so let me play my violin for you.
Dad's best reactions.